Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I will discuss how to fix won't turn on Bluetooth on Windows 10. Right click Start button to select Device Manager. Click Bluetooth. Update Bluetooth driver. Update step-by-step Bluetooth driver all. Click Network Adapters. Update Bluetooth driver. Right click Start menu and select Run. Type service.msc. Click OK. Find Bluetooth support service. Right click Bluetooth support service, then click Stop. Right click Bluetooth support service, then click Start. Right click Bluetooth support service, then click Properties. Set its startup type to automatic, click Apply and then click OK. Thanks for watching.